Question 12. The figure shows a parallelogram PQRS drawn on a grid. PRTU is a rectangle that has half the area of PQRS. Draw PRTU on the grid. Now to find the area of the parallelogram, right, because we need to draw a rectangle that's half of the area of the parallelogram. Now to find area of parallelogram would be, all right, the formula is height times the base, all right, or base times height. So the base of the parallelogram is here, PR, and if you count the grid, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, right? So from here in the middle, PR, because you're supposed to draw PRTU, right? So it will look something like this. Okay, so this is the base. The base is 16. So we know that 16, and the height of the parallelogram is here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 16, we will get 64, correct? And you're supposed to draw half the area. So half would be 64 divided by 2, will be 32. So now how do you get 32? This is 16, correct? 16 multiplied by 2 will give you 32. All right, so 16 multiplied by 2 will give you 32. So the length will be 16 and the height here will be 2, right? 2 units here. So it will look like this. All right, so this is the rectangle PRTU. So I'm going to label this T and this part U. Now let's look at part B. PRV is an isosceles triangle that has the same area as rectangle PRTU. Same area here, right? Which is 32. Draw PRV on a grid such that it does not overlap with rectangle PRTU. So it doesn't overlap over here, which means that the isosceles triangle will be above it, right? Now, so you're going to draw a triangle, an isosceles triangle above the rectangle. Now, since it's an isosceles triangle, that means both sides must be equal. So if you look at the line PR, where is the middle point? The middle point is somewhere at the 8, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? The 8 point here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it will be somewhere around here. All right, so the isosceles triangle PRV will look like this.